Hello my dear friends, do you know what we are going to study in this class? Oh, I tell you, in this class we are seeing how to extract cube roots from the given large number which is not a perfect cube. It might be very complicated by other method, but I am telling you very simple method of Vedic mathematics. Here we have to find the cube root of non-perfect cube number 9, 4, 6, 0, 8, 7, 0. For this, we write these numbers like this. To know the number of digits in square root, group the given number in 3. From right hand side, in our example, first group is 870. Second group is 460 and remaining 9 is in third group, means total 3 groups. So that means the cube root of given number contain 3 digits. But don't forget, the given number is non-perfect cube. So there should be some value after decimal point. As we know, there are 3 digits in cube root. We put 3 dash and a dot. And after the dot, 2, 3 more dash for decimal point like this in our calculation. Then after that, divide the number of digits in example, that is 7 here, by 3. We get 2 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder. So our remainder is 1. We put the vertical dotted line after 1 digits from left. Remember, we are not interested in quotient here. So on left we have 9. Now look at the perfect cube less than or closest to 9. Which one? Of course, 2 cube is equals to 8. So we write 2 here and simply write a just below it. As 2 is a value of a which we need after some time, now need to find divisor, and divisor is nothing but 3 multiplied by square of this number which comes 12. So our divisor is 12. Now subtract 9 from this 2 cube, that is 8. We get obviously 1. We put this 1 here. Let's look at this 2 number. 1 follows by 4. So our first cross dividend is 14, and in this case there is no need to do any calculation on it. So gross dividend is equals to actual dividend. So our actual dividend is also 14. Now divide this actual dividend by our divisor. We get quotient as 1 and remainder as 0, 2. So we write remainder here and quotient here. Again write b below it. Let's look at this 2 number. 2 follows by 6. So our second gross dividend is 26. But this time we have to perform some simple calculation on it to get our actual dividend. For that, subtract 3ab square from current gross dividend. We know all the values and we can do it mentally. Our gross dividend is 26 minus 3 into value of a is here. Take it into square of b, which comes from here. Finally, we get our second actual dividend is equals to 20. Divide this actual dividend by our divisor. We get quotient as 1 and remainder as 8. So write remainder here and quotient here and write c below it as 1 is a value of C. Let's look at this 2 number 8 follows by 0. So our third gross dividend is 80. But this time again we have to perform some simple calculation on it to get our actual dividend. Remember that for all gross dividend except the first gross dividend, because first gross dividend is itself a actual dividend without any operations. We have to perform some operation which are very simple, means to simply subtract some equations from gross dividend and we get actual dividend. All these calculations are given at the end of this class, so don't worry about it. Here subtract 6abc plus b cube from current gross dividend. We know all the values a, b, c and we can do it easily. Our gross dividend is 80 minus 6 into value of a into value of b into value of c, which comes from here, plus b cube. Finally, we get the third actual dividend, which is equals to 67. Divide this actual dividend by our divisor. We get our quotient as 5 and remainder as 7. So write remainder here and quotient here. And here we get our answer 211.5, which is cube root of 9, 4, 6, 0, 8, 7, 0 up to 1 decimal point. By using this same method, we can also calculate the cube root up to higher decimal point from the non-perfect cube number simply. Here is a simple equation to calculate actual dividend from gross dividend. By using this same method, you can extract cube root of number. I hope you got it. If any problem is there, then go and watch this video one more time and solve your own examples.